Roadside RC at Cookeville Raceway and Hobbies. We're here today. We hear that they have a indoor crawler course, so we're going to take the Wraith in and see what it looks like.
Every day. 7 years now. I'm trying to phase myself out of my own mind. But today, Tuesday, Saturday, my son and his wife, she was back doing dinner.
You can't do the second level if you want to.
Get back up, buddy. Oh, Logan rolled it. Oh, come on, catch. Oh, dude, did you see it? It did that?
Mm-hmm.
I can't believe it made that.
Yes.
Did it get you very excited?
Yes.
Oh, make it. You can't see for it, can you? Oh, come over here. Well, look, the tires try to hold the vehicle on the angle. Oh, it's gonna struggle on that. Here, let me get you started, like right here. Go
This
ahead.
is the one that comes.
Go. Gentle. Keep going. Ooh. Slow down. There you go. Turn right hard. There you go. Oh, it's making it. All right, yeah, you're gonna have to back it up a little bit. You got it. Good job. Ooh, don't fall off. Oosh. Look at that. You gotta turn.
There is one that I think is 150.
Uh-huh.
How are you supposed to get
I
down
think
from there?
this one,
Good point. Oh, row.
I don't know if this one does have the voice, it's the higher one. This one doesn't have voice. The lower models.
All right, James, stop. You're gonna have to back up.